holiday Snoopy Wet n Wild holiday peanuts, Charlie Brown Snoopy, has gone live on Amazon finally. However, the shipping dates are weird. They're like, you'll get it in 2 months. And so if you go to Instagram and you follow Wet n Wild, they have a live date for different places. So the only bad thing is that we don't know if they're going to carry all of it, but they said they're going to have it on their website in November. And they said CVS is supposed to have it in November, though some stores already put it out. Amazon has everything but 2 items available. And again, the ship by dates are like you'll get it in 1 to 2 months. And then Ulta's supposed to have it this weekend, and I'm not sure what other. Okay, so Ulta's gonna have it starting next week, most likely online only, because this is like a 29 piece set. And then Walgreens will have it on the 30th. I don't know what Shoppers Beauty is, but they're going to have it on 11/5. CVS is supposed to release it on 11/1. But like I said, some stores already put it out. And wetandwild.com will have it up on 11/3. Last time, for some reason, that thing was a whole month late. The Lilo and Stitch. They did do a box set. However, it's only got 11 of the 28 items. And it's the only 2 things like that are a must-have. It's the face palette and the eye palette. So it seems like tweezers, the eyeliner, the lash curlers, and the nail files are there, which is something that is really optional for people. I think, though, one of the other things that is really adorable is the Snoopy Doghouse sponge container is gonna be there, and I believe the sponge set. So it's only got like 11 items. The other stuff that people are gonna want is like the brushes, the nail polishes. Those are all gonna be sold separate. And right now, Amazon does not have one of the nail polishes and another item. I don't remember what that other item is. So oh, now I remember. They have eye pencils. 4 eyeshadow, jumbo pencils. 3. And they don't have that yet. So anyway, Wet n Wild has it on their website as coming soon. But they've also been saying for weeks that their Fantasy Makers was coming soon. They only have about maybe 6 items. 6 to maybe 9 items of the maybe 15 20 stuff of the new stuff that's out. They don't really have a lot of it, and it's still saying coming soon. And we're already what's the 14th today? We're already halfway through October. I don't know what they're waiting for, but yeah. So anyway, just wanted to give you that heads up. And this most likely won't be up till tomorrow because I have to go to do an x-ray today. So yeah, another thing is my husband took vacation for the end of October. He needs to use up his vacation days. And then my daughter's coming the 2nd of November. So the only day I really have to clean is next week, and I'm in pain still. I really feel like I need to find a new doctor, because if I would have asked her to give me a different med, that's one thing. I just asked her to up the dose. And thank God I had 3 bottles of methocarbon, and I knew I didn't use the other 2. I've had them since like January, and I knew I didn't use the other 2, but I couldn't find them, and it's because I was looking for the brown bottle that they come in, and this was in a white bottle. So when I really, really dug into my medicine basket, thank God, and that is what's been making this bearable. I still can't be on my feet too much, on my leg. My knee still hurts. I still have trouble sleeping at night, but the methocarbon, it's supposed to be 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams. She gave me 750. Like, what the frig? Did she do that on purpose so that I have to pay another $40 to see her? Because if I'm just asking her to up the dose, I don't see why I need to go in and just discuss the same thing. You know, you already know what I want. There's nothing going to be different except that you gave me too low of a dose. So, I'm just wondering if they got some sort of thing going on, scam going on. And the x-ray place, I called my insurance and they said it was free. Called the x-ray place and now they finally put it as we can go in and get the x-rays and pay nothing because my insurance pays for it. And it's not really free. We pay over $400 a month in insurance. So anyway, I gotta go do that today. So I may not see you next week because I'm gonna be cleaning, but maybe I will on Friday. I'm gonna do the biggest things that need to be cleaned next week, and then if I need to do anything, I could do it. Like right before she gets here or something. My daughter gets here. I just hope and pray that my knee holds up while I'm trying to clean. Anyway, okay, so just want to let you know that I may or may not be on next week. Okay, well, love you all. Mwah. See you in about 2 weeks.